everyone! Welcome to my channel, Bisaya here in Washington. I have this channel about workouts, dancing. So I hope you enjoy. Sometimes I do my daily tasks like cleaning my house, a daily routine. And I hope to subscribe and hit like. Bisaya here in Washington. Bye! Okay. Coming to you. Right here, right there?
Yeah, lie down here.
Okay.
Why you do like that?
I have a channel. I'm gonna put in my YouTube channel.
Yeah, that's okay now.
Okay.
You off now.
Okay. I want to see how you eat it. Just give me a little bit.
Yeah, I know.
That's a big one.
Yeah.
Thank you. You want me to eat this? They become my friend now. You want me to try their food? I'll see how it is. Ilang dagang pagkaon. Inangya pan. Lagi. Di po to, gitagaan ko nila kay papil ko kaon. Moro na nila sa salon. Papil ko pagkaon. Moro na ko na amiga nila maayo. Tantang ni ko na tani. Butang kis lang ako bitagan ko makaon. Tubig. Ganyan. Buhay pa naman. Masas siya. Kakundal na.
Nó giọng đùng đùng ha. Next door. Next door they make the bread.
Yeah. So it's good.